Amber with Healthymale. I am going to take you through 10 ab exercises that you can do anywhere with no equipment, all body weight. Follow along and enjoy the workout. The first exercise we're going to do is a spinal balance. We are going to do repetitions on one side. So we're going to get into all four positions, hands under our shoulders, knees under our hips. We are going to raise our opposite arm to leg and begin the repetition count. We're going to do 10 repetitions on each side. And switch. Next, we are going to go into a full plank, and we are going to do plank jacks. Hands underneath our shoulders, jump the feet in and out. We're going to do 20. Nice job. Coming back down onto our knees, we're going to sit down onto our hips now, and we are going to do V-ups for 20. Drop the feet. Plant the hands however is comfortable. And now we are going to move into a tabletop with an alternating side touch at the top. So push up in the hips, raise up, balance, come down. Push up, touch, whoops, and come down. And you might have to find your balance. 10 on each side. Come down. We are going to go now into a side plank. We are going to go onto our forearm, stacking our feet with a pull through. We're threading the needle here. Ten on each side, switch. You'll see it from the back end here. Good. We're going to lay down now and move into a flutter kick. Hands underneath the butt for support, palms face down, or a scissor kick, whatever you're used to it being called. We're making sure that our lower back is flat to the ground. We're going to do 20 on each leg here. Good. Now we're going to do a single side bicycle. So staying in that down position, crunch it up. Just to one side. I'm supporting my head, but I'm not pulling on my neck. Let's do 15. And switch. Good. Now we're going to lay back. We're going to bring our legs up in the air. You can support your neck if you need to. And we're going to crunch up to the toes for 20. Nice job. Right here, we're going to keep our head and neck supported. We're going to drop our feet down and bring them up. Knees bent. We're going to do 20. Make sure my swimsuit's not going up my butt. There you go. We can flex our feet, get more of a flex in those hips. $20 of these. I lost count. 19, 20. Good. And drop the feet, legs all the way out straight. Last one we're going to do is a sit up with the legs straight. Rolling down vertebrae by vertebrae and rolling up vertebrae by vertebrae. 10 of these. Nice and slow. Let it all hang out. Two more. There you have it, Healthy Male. 10-minute abs. Repeat that entire circuit 2 more times and feel the burn, not just from the sun outside, but from those muscles getting that work. Enjoy.